Hi guys, just give me a minute, we'll just start shortly. So, good evening everybody. My name is Tanvi and I'm the manager for USA at Advise International. We'll wait for few minutes for others to join in. Till that time, I hope all of you all are safe at home. I understand some of you all would have even started working, but let's just pray that everybody is safe at home and safe at their wherever they are. So, firstly, I would like to thank all of you for attending this session and making this session possible. I would be taking question and answers at the end of the event, but you can keep on posting them so that I can answer them at the end of the event. Today I am going to talk about USA, the global techno hub. Okay. So technology basically has been a part of every aspect of our life. It is this technology that presently helps us to even work from home even during this pandemic situation. And USA has been a market leader in this technology. For past 80 years, USA has been a part of this telecommunication and advances. US has also been the birthplace to 161 of Britannica's 321 greatest inventions, out of which, if I include technology based, they include internet, microchip, cell phone, email, personal computer, barcode, etc. and the list goes on, thus making US the world leader. Many others are also part of this technological boom. US has many offices like Google, Facebook, Dell, Infosys, TCS also. Are you really aware that by 2026, US computer science and IT field is going to grow by 13%? Yes, that's true. This is going to add up 5,57 new jobs in this field, 5,57 new jobs, 57,000 new jobs in this industry itself. But the major crisis that they are going to face, the first one being lack of highly skilled IT professionals. According to a study that is recently made, it is clearly visible that US has approximately 1.1 million job deficit of technically skilled IT laborers. And this is going to increase to 4.3 million by 2030. It's really shocking, and it clearly shows that US is going to be the place that you have to be. Now coming to education based information in USA. US has always been the top choice for computer science and IT based education. According to various ranking systems like QS News, Shanghai, FT, the top 100 universities, the maximum place has been taken by US universities. That shows the quality and the choices that US offers. US has presently 4,000 institutions and you can choose varied courses from them. A computer science student can choose various subject specializations like mobile networking, data analytics, artificial intelligence, human computer interaction, mobile web computing, and the list goes on. For IT professionals, you can choose web developer, software engineer, database programmer, and so on. These programs in US are available at undergraduate, postgraduate, and even at PhD levels. The top 8 courses that you can look at in these fields are going to be an enterprise architect, a database manager, a software engineer, and their salaries on an average in US is approximately 1,15,000 US dollars per annum. Yes, it is possible. Now coming to the entry requirements that are required. For an undergraduate student, you would need 12th grade scores specifically. But physics and maths are an important component. These colleges may waive your SAT requirement also. Some colleges do not even have a SAT requirement or an ACT requirement. But yes, for Indian students, IELTS, TOEFL or PT or even now Duolingo is getting accepted as the English proficiency requirement. And Advise does offer you these coachings. At this time, we are offering online coaching that you can take it up. Now coming to postgraduate studies. Computer science or IT background is preferred, but a lot of engineering fields are accepted from other engineering fields are also accepted. Benefit: you are allowed 15 years of education, so students from BSc Computer Science can also come in. BSc IT students can also apply. Now coming to GRE, again, may or may not be required. Again, English proficiency for us, for Indian students, is mandatory. Now coming to your cost requirement. There are approximate cost to study in US is around 20 to 25 lakhs per annum. It depends again on which university you are going to, what area you are going to, but your tuition and living cost can be approximately the same. But there are a lot of scholarships readily available. Even you are allowed to work 20 hours per week easily. And CPT, that's curricular practical training, as an important aspect of your education. Do you all really know that these courses are STEM designated? STEM designated basically means that students from science, technology, engineering and mathematics can take up courses. Students from science, technology, engineering and mathematics after their courses can stay up to 36 months and work out there. And this is going to help all of the students who are trying to do so. US always incorporates technology in their education, and that is clearly evident that So US is clearly accepting, is incorporated technological advancements in their education. And that is clearly visible by that US is the world leader in providing online education and supporting all its students at this present time. Okay, so you need to understand that this is possible in US. September 2020 is still open and you can apply. Okay, but to help you out with all of this, Advise is conducting a virtual fair for USA for computer science and IT based students, and that's going to be tomorrow, that's 20th of May, between 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. You can meet various universities, ask them your questions, ask them your queries, and they can help you solve them. How do you register? You can register through our website adviseinternational.com or go to our Facebook or Instagram handle and register through there. Or if you've met an Advise counselor, you can register through them also. So let's take this opportunity apply September 2020. We are having application fee waivers, and let's make your dream to study in USA a reality. So I'm ready to take questions regarding US. If anybody has, just let me check. Okay, so I have a question here which says that I've done a diploma in software engineering and I have a 11 years of experience in IT. What courses do you suggest if I can work in US? If you have experience in IT and software, you could take up data analytics as a course, and that could be possible. Even some students at present with 11 years of experience can go up and do an MBA IT also. That could help you out also. Any more questions anybody has? I think that is it. I don't have any other questions here. I would like to thank all of you for attending this session and making it a success. Thank you so much.